and then maybe we'll end up on a little bit of a lighter note. But the United States pulled out of the Paris Accords, climate accords. Every other country in the world is a contributor. I guess my question to you, because this is very difficult for Canada. We're trying to put a price on pollution in Canada, and it's difficult to do when we see our neighbouring competitor and collaborator to the south is going another way. So just to lay our cards down, it's tough on us. But is there any doubt in your mind that about the science of climate change, or that there is climate change happening and that it's man-made or person-made? To either one of you, is there any doubt on this, or any doubt that the United States should be showing more leadership to the world on this?
It's really interesting you asked it, because you talked about putting a price on carbon. We actually had Trent Lott, who was the Republican leader when I was president,